Item number 3.1, Council Committees, Establishment and Appointments and Delegations for this triennium. Mrs. Tina Jakes.
Thank you, Your Worship. I don't really have I don't really have much to add onto this agenda item. There's a list of your proposals in terms of appointments to the committees, and you'll notice in terms of the terms of reference, there's been some changes which have been tracked. Most of it's around the Audit and Risk Committee and the changes to that committee from previous discussions that we've had in terms of reducing the size, and some minor tweaks in terms of some of the other delegations.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Jakes. Any questions or queries regarding the committees? Councillor Cousins.
Just through the chair, up for council, and it's not a biggie, but I'm looking at the Audit and Risk Committee. It's been reduced in size, I understand that, and notwithstanding everyone's skill set. Just wondering if we may be missing a trick, and you could accuse me of being biased, but I would like to see Councillor Jollins on that committee as well, as an addition, because she understands that whole philosophy and setup far better than many of us do. Not saying we aren't capable, but I just think for extra and added skill, I'd like to see Councillor Jollins, if Councillor Jollins is open to that. I'd like to see her added to that as a...
Okay, so we've got at the moment we've got the Mayor, Deputy Mayor, Chairperson, we've got two Chairpersons, Emergency Management, Chairperson of Fred, one Councillor from MP or TT, and the Independent. So is there, I suppose Councillor Jollins, would you be...
Oh, look, I've always had an interest in the audit and risk. It's probably my bliss, for want of a better word, but I'm happy either way. So I appreciate the need to keep that committee a bit smaller.
Yes, so that would make it 1, 2, 3. What are the other councillors? Have they got? Councillor, sorry, not councillor, Mr. Jakes.
Just one thing to remember too, that even though you're not on the committee, you can attend and speak at the meeting. So that's still available for.
You don't have voting rights.
No.
Yeah, you can attend and speak.
Yeah, yes, it's about, I suppose, conversations that we might miss and who leads those conversations, and if we're missing something, I understand that Councillor Johns could interject, but I'm just wondering if it would be beneficial on the inside rather than the periphery.
Is there any other support for Councillor Jollins to be on that? Bearing in mind the reduction of members there.
I'll be quite comfortable personally.
Okay, so we're happy to add one member to the Audit and Risk. Is that okay to do it here, Gina?
Yes, you can. You can have a member.
How many is it? 1, 2, 3.
We just change the one that says one member from either Turangi or Mangakino to 2 members, of which one will be from Turangi or Mangakino.
Yep.
Okay. So 2 councillors.
2 councillors, of which one will be from Mangakino.
Yeah. Okay. Happy with that amendment?
Yep. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Councillor Cousins. So we'll amend that resolution accordingly. Any other questions or queries of Mrs. Jakes regarding the committees? Councillor Jollins.
Just a question for Mrs. Jakes, thank you. Just in terms of the Chair for Audit and Risk, is Mr. Bayat being approached to be on that committee again this year?
He has, yes.
He's accepted?
Yes.
That's one of the mayor appointments.
Sorry, just through the chair, in Councillor Boddy's absence, was he happy to be named as the Deputy Chair for the DLC?
He specifically been asked to go on that committee, but we were Deputy Chair, I'm not too sure. That was his existing position, so...
I'm sure he'd be delighted if he wants to be on there in the first place.
We've got a few hearings coming up very quickly, so... nothing else? No other questions of Mrs. Jakes? All right, the suggested amended recommendation there, Shani, you've got the change there. Could I have a move, please? Moved by councillor Cousins, seconded by councillor Hickling. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against, carried.